In regards to dipping our toes in, obviously, between St. John's and IVCI, we have a good relationship there. We had a conversation in regards to what it is that we're looking to do. Also, from the esports side, I mean, it's grown exponentially in the industry. Some of the basic statistics, I mean, in 2018, it was $900 million worth of revenue that's in it. And by the next 2 years, they're thinking it may grow to somewhere around 1.4 billion. So I think if you're not aware of it or involved in it, you'd be doing an injustice not only to your customers, but as well as to your company.
Okay, and with where it's maybe the first time that you guys were doing something like this, how was it different from other installations that you've done, whether it's a corporate boardroom or a hospital or whatever the case may be?
Well, I think there's certain considerations you need to take into account when you're doing gaming. In a corporate environment, obviously you want as little lag as possible. But usually it's in two separate locations. However, with gaming, it's all within the same room, not only a large display that's directly in front of you, but as well as the end user's display. So we needed to make sure that, obviously working with Crestron and St. John's, we picked a technology that would fit that need. That technology in this case was the NVX system. It supports 4K at 60 hertz, 444, which means that there's no subsampling or no compression on it. Latency is minimal on it, which means that in giving this type of technology and this type of implementation, we give the best that we can give to the end users. Again, maintaining that resolution as little lag time as possible, because milliseconds count for these individuals doing gaming.